Hello trader, this is a complete multi-time frame analysis on euro dollar and British pound US dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in both of these instruments. As you can see, euro dollar currently trending and expecting further trending market in this instrument as well as on GBP USD. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, first let's quickly look at the highest time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in this market. Looking at euro dollar from the monthly, we can see that from this level there is a very strong drop on euro USD. Now with that drop, what we can see the price from the monthly perspective, from this monthly resistance, there is a strong rejection towards the downside. And what we could see that the market, as it is a long-term bear market, we might see further potential downside in this instrument. Now if you look at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly price action, and from this resistance line on euro USD, we can see that from that resistance line there is a liquidity grab, and then from the weekly there is a strong rejection, and with that rejection expecting for this market to continue to drop to create a new lower low. Now looking at the daily chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that from the daily perspective, as expected, euro dollar is in a very strong downtrend, and we can see that there was a, from this level there is a very strong drop here, followed by this pullback, and we can see another drop followed by deeper pullback, and followed by, we can see that on euro USD from this level there is a deep drop here, and there was a break of structure from the daily. And this break of structure on euro dollar, from that resistance line we have seen that a complete break of structure, and with that break of structure the price has reached that level, and the price slowly started to drop again, as it is a bear market. What we can expect for this market, for the price to potentially continue to drop to this support level. Now from the 4 hour perspective, we can see a very visible head and shoulder formation here. Now with that head and shoulder, we can see that potential change of trend, and current 4 hour price action, we can see a 4 hour bearish engulfer formation here. And that 4 hour bearish engulfer, what we can expect on euro USD for this market from this level to drop back to this support level. So as soon as we will find suitable entry on euro dollar, we will be looking for going short with a high probability trade setup. Now let's look at British pound US dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument on GBP USD, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in this market. Now from the monthly, we can see that GBP USD is bear market. Starting from here, there is a very strong drop, and this is the monthly price action where the price has reached that level where there is a support here, resistance here from the monthly, expecting GBP USD after retest potentially drop again to fill that zone here. Now from the weekly perspective on British pound US dollar, we can see that from the weekly also this is a bear market. Starting from here, this is a big drop here followed by this pullback. The market grabbed the liquidity and we have seen another drop, and with that drop we can see another bounce to the upside. We can see there is a big drop here on British pound US dollar, and with that drop what we can see, the market has bounced back up for a deeper pullback. Now with that pullback, we can see this is support here, which is turning resistance here in that level on GBP USD. And with that support turn resistance, the market grabbed the liquidity, expecting for this price to potentially drop to that level where there is a high liquidity, as it is an important level of support here. If we look at the daily chart on British pound US dollar, we can see that from the daily perspective, this is where, like the euro dollar, there was a break of structure to the upside, and with that break of structure from this level there is a strong breakdown here. Previous daily candle is also a bearish engulfer. Now current daily candle from this level, we can see the market from that zone, potentially we could see that the price heading to that downside here. Now from the 4 hour perspective on GBP USD, we can see that there is a head and shoulder formation here on GBP USD. Now with that head and shoulder, the price potentially, what I think that we could see it's breaking below that level where there is an important previous support resistance line turning support here. And also this is a very high liquidity zone on GBPUSD. So this is where, as soon as you will find suitable entry on GBPUSD, we'll be looking for going short with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this free education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.